Today we're going to be going to a place in Nuneaton. We're going to be fitting some CATLESS downpipes and the inlets blasted. PMP Cars are very well known in the M54 industry. They're probably one of the best to do walnut blasting. Basically blast walnut shells in there, high rate of speed, and then vacuum them out at the same time. And in doing so, it just frees up any lost horsepower, makes the engine run a lot smoother. And then I said to them as well at the same time, do you fancy fitting some CATLESS downpipes? And they were like, yeah, we can do that for you. She loves the cold starts. If you've got 2 seconds of your time today, literally just drop a like on this video. It literally takes 2 seconds. It really helps me get boosted within the YouTube universe, you know, gets me promoted out there, helps just boost my views and everything. This weather is absolutely terrible. Of all days, why today, man? The one day I actually wanted it to be nice and dry and sunny, and it's not going to happen, unfortunately, boys. Just want to give you a quick roundup of like what's coming up as well with the car. I've just taken delivery of a carbon front splitter. I'm still awaiting on a carbon fiber rear diffuser, so that'll be coming soon. I've got a carbon fiber spoiler to go on it. I've got a Forged Motorsport dump valve, blow-off valve, and a massive 7.5 inch stepped intercooler. And then obviously to tie it all in, we're going to do the MHD Stage 2 Plus map, which will bring the car to around 430, 450, hopefully. As you can tell from that, loads of stuff. So obviously if you are wanting to keep up together and follow the build, just like and subscribe, man. Literally just got the car in. Currently going to be taking off the inlet manifold, and we're going to be doing the walnut blasting first, and then after that we'll give a go with the CATLESS downpipes. Dusty. Dusty, man. Jeez. On a scale of 1 to 10, they've said from what they've previously seen, it's about a 6, maybe pushing the 7, so it's not even too bad. It could have been a lot worse, but yeah, we're going to obviously do the best we can to get them all. There we go. We're going to do our best to get the walnuts in there, and I'll do another video after we've done it to kind of see the difference that we have made. Also, just a heads up as well with PMP Cars, anytime that you get this done with the walnut blasting, every time you will also get new seals that actually go on the inlet manifold as well. See the gaskets there? Yeah, so they go on into here. You work so fast. Yeah. So fast. How many of these you done? How many?
I don't remember.
You don't remember?
Yeah.
Too many then, too many. Completely included in the price. The price for this job is £250. Come on.
Slowly on the height.
Okay. did just about say it. Seems okay. Smooth idle. I guess that was like a main thing that I was kind of testing, is obviously making sure that the idle was smooth. We're doing CATLESS downpipes, so I don't want to leave the exhaust on too long because obviously it's going to be warm for the boys. Underbelly off, take the tray off, and then obviously we'll access everything that we need to access. We're literally just going around doing the final checks right now. Everything's basically all done. We're just buttoning everything up and making sure that everything's okay. Should get a bit more turbo whistle, but obviously I'm gonna have the engine management light on until I do the MHD flash. Start her up. Go on. That's good. That's good. That's good. Yes. One more. Jesus Christ, that is insane. That is insane. I'm so happy with that. These boys are sick. PMP Cars. PMP Cars, come here. PMP Cars. Come to this place. Sick place. Great work, fast, know what they're doing. If you have enjoyed this video, drop a like on it, like and subscribe. Check out PMP Cars Facebook down in the description, so you're gonna check them out. So I am absolutely buzzing right now. This thing, it sounds sick. It sounds sick. Those guys, I cannot rate them enough. Oh, you need to get CATLESS downpipes in the car. It's so cool. It's so cool.
Sounds like mine.
Right.
I've been chucking this in the car for you.
All right.
For me.
What? Yeah, I want your reaction.
All right.
Right, ready?
Yeah. Whistle it. Wait, whistle here.
Yeah.
Whistle here.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
What do you reckon?
Hello, it's good, mate. Yeah, I like it. That's how